How to fix Android devices not charging. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Android devices not charging. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. Ensure that the charging cable and adapter are not damaged. You can try a different state to rule out faulty hardware. Next step is to inspect the charging port. Check for debris or lint in the charging port and clean it carefully with a soft cloth or compressed air. Sometimes a simple restart can fix this kind of glitches and issues, so simply hold the power button on your device and check or choose restart button. After that, your issue might be fixed. If not fixed, you can check for software updates. Go to settings, tap search bar, type in update and wait few minutes. If you see software updates option, simply you need to select that, and if you find any software updates, install and download it to the latest version. The next step you need to follow is simply trying a different power source, switch outlets, or try charging via a computer USB port to check if the power source is the issue. If none of the issue or the steps work for you, it could be a hardware fault. Seek for professional repair assistance and your issue will be fixed for Android device not charging. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.